Ah, it is winter season is going on, so it is the season of carrot, and good quality and fresh carrots are available in market. And that day I went market of milk and I saw the price of milk is so down today. So for this reason I bought 5 kg milks and I made a plan. Today I will make carrot halwa. So for this reason, I came back to my home and I told my mom, Mom, today we are going to make carrot halwa. So she also supported me and she agreed with me. Then I went market and I bought 3 kg carrot. The price of carrot was only per kg 30 rupees. The price was 90 rupees, but I paid him 80 rupees and 10 rupees he gave me discount. And I came and I brought carrot to my home and I gave to my mom. But my mom was searching carrot machine, and by that you will cut carrot in a small pieces. But there was no machine in our home, and she did not find. And she was searching in our neighbor, but there was also she did not find. He visited minimum 3 or 2 home, but anywhere she did not find this machine. And finally, I searched it in the market, and I did not find it also. So then my mom was cutting by hand. It was so difficult. So after that, my mom was cooking halwa in earthen stove. So first of all, she add milk with carrot and she was cooking and she was giving a slow firewood. In a slow flame, she was cooking